Congress is holding a massive protest over Karnataka's drought relief funds. The Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is speaking. Listen in.
ಅವರು ಚೊಂಬು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ತೆರಿಗೆ ಹಂಚಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚೊಂಬು 15ನೇ ಹಣಕಾಸಿನ ಆಯೋಗ ಶಿಫಾರಸು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಚೊಂಬು, ಬರಗಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ಚೊಂಬು, ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಭದ್ರಾಕ್ಕೆ ಚೊಂಬು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಚೊಂಬು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿಭಟಿಸಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಸಾಂಕೇತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Talking about the center who has done nothing for the state government in Karnataka. They are showing chombus or empty pots, signifying that the center has given nothing to Karnataka.
ಯಾರು ರೈತರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
he is also talking about the 5 guarantees that was given by the Congress government.
Sir, barely 20% of the amount.
Thank you.
State government was given. Sir, not even one.
There's a massive protest that is taking place in the state of Karnataka. The Congress leaders have now come on to the streets. The Chief Minister of the state, Siddaramaiah, along with the Deputy Chief Minister, D.K. Shivkumar, all of them on the streets. Cabinet ministers are protesting against the central government. They are saying the funds which have been released are insufficient for the state. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah said, totally we had asked approximately 18,000 crore rupees from the central government. The financial loss due to the drought is close to 35,000 crore rupees. What was given even after the Supreme Court direction is a mere 4,000 rupees. My colleague Anaga is now joining me on the story. Anaga, we are seeing how a mathematical comparison is being done by the Congress party in the state of Karnataka, and they are saying even after the Supreme Court order, the centre has only given us 4,000 crore rupees.
Well, that's right. That's exactly what the Congress government in Karnataka is saying. What we demanded was 18,000 crores, but not even barely 20% of the amount asked that was given. That's the kind of stepmotherly treatment that was meted out to Karnataka is what the Congress government is saying. In fact, they are going to take a round about the Vidhan Sauda on this matter, questioning the centre as to why the said amount was not given. DCM sir, not even 20% of the amount that you asked was given. DCM sir.
The entire host of cabinet ministers, Aishwarya, were here in Vidhan Sauda demanding that the centre must have disbursed the entire amount.
72 crore of drought relief. But what Modi government refused to do it. From September 2020.
The government has also raked up the other water-related issues, be it Tapar, Bhadra. The amount that was being given, sir. Not even 20% of the amount that you asked.
See, this was asked in September. Now it should touch 1 lakh crore loss. They should have given, we should have asked more. But since they did not respect our representation, we did not ask them because first representation only was not been cleared.
Is the amount given enough, sir?
No, it is very unfair. Not even 20%. But still we are going to demand.
They are seeking revenge against Karnataka.
What's going to be your next step?
We are fighting legally. We are fighting with the people of Karnataka.
Modi is going to be here in Karnataka.
Modi has to reply to us.
So, that was the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, D.K. Shivkumar, stating that Prime Minister Modi himself has to reply, given the fact that he's going to be here in Karnataka to address an election campaign. When he can fly down for his election purposes, why can't he disburse Karnataka's rightful share of resources is what the Karnataka government is asking. Aishwarya, the Congress is also saying that in a healthy federal system, a state must not have to knock the doors of Supreme Court to get its rightful share. Karnataka should have gotten its rightful share when it was reeling under the kind of never seen before drought situation. So why is it that only peanuts was given to Karnataka is what the Congress government is asking.
Anaga, please stay on with me. Let's also listen in to what Randeep Surjewala said.
Prime Minister Modi is here in Karnataka today, but he has brought a Kali Chombu for people of Karnataka. Last week they said, after Supreme Court reprimanded them, said federal structure has to be respected. They said, okay, we will decide. And now what have they decided? Only 3,454 crore. Out of 18,172 crore, we only get 19%. Karnataka gives 100 rupees as taxes. Karnataka gets back 13 rupees.
Anaga is still with me on the story. Anaga, if you can show us, because we are seeing from the Chief Minister to the Deputy Chief Minister, everyone has hit the streets. They are now at the Vidhan Sauda. Are coming in from the state of Karnataka. The Chief Minister of the state, Siddaramaiah, the Deputy Chief Minister of the state, D.K. Shivkumar, all of them are hitting the streets. They are walking around the Vidhan Sauda. A gherao of the Vidhan Sauda is being done, and they are asking the central government to give them the remaining funds. State government had sought 18,000 crore rupees from the central government to fight the drought situation in the state. There is no end to the Nataka that's taking place in the state of Karnataka. There's a big credit war which has exploded over the drought relief funds for the state. While the BJP on one side is hailing Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the Chief Minister is now thanking the top court for the funds that they have received. Taking to social media, Chief Minister of the state of Karnataka came down heavily on the central government. Karnataka CM said the centre only woke up after the Supreme Court gave an order that the funds should be released. Slamming the Modi government, Siddaramaiah said that the sanction is very less as compared to what they had initially asked for. The state had sought 18,000 crore rupees, but they only got 4,000 crore rupees from the central government. Karnataka Congress is at the moment staging a massive protest at the Vidhan Sauda against the central government, demanding remaining funds need to be released. On the other side is the BJP, which is hailing Prime Minister Narendra Modi for releasing the funds. The BJP is accusing Congress of blaming the centre for nothing.
See, it was a long struggle to get this relief also. BJP leaders were time and again ridiculing Karnataka. When we asked for the drought relief money which was owed to farmers of Karnataka, first of all, they denied us this drought relief money. On top of it, when we pressed for the release, they ridiculed us. So it was insult on top of an injury. Nevertheless, we approached them multiple times, requested them, and finally, having failed to persuade them through reasonable means, we had to resort to seeking the intervention of Honorable Supreme Court. In the meantime, BJP leaders said not a single paisa is owed to Karnataka. Today, the same BJP central government has agreed to release us about 3,454 crore.